that cake. So you can carry with the lesson.
Oh, no. I don't wish to learn any dancing from him. I don't wish to be left alone with this insane woman.
Oh. You have a word, dear sir. She is not insane in the regular sense of the word. I feel you'll be safe.
But, what I have come here for has to be of interest to all of you.
Thank you, sir. But I really am not interested in any sort of dancing.
Neither am I.
Oh, sir, I did want to learn Indian Kathak, but then you're an African dancer who dances on Latin tunes.
A lawyer! Didn't you get my wire?
Esmeralda, I saw the butler give a wire.
To give it to the electrician. My mother always said, wires are meant for repairing fans.
Oh, you sweet, innocent child.
You must not address Esmeralda like that, Anthony.
And to think, I was here to discuss poor old Mr. Dubreuil's will.
Poor old dad.
Will?
Oh, why are you leaving, sir? Why are you leaving? Why are you leaving? Please don't leave, sir.
Oh, no. It should break my heart to see a man of such breathtakingly spectacular features leave my house. Won't you stay here for me?
Kindly be seated, dear sir. Would you like some refreshments?
No. Since you finally apologized, I'd like to...
No! Shut up, no!
I would have disturbed if it wasn't for...
No! Stop this engagement! What is this? What is this? Who's with all the music?
Sorry, sir. I saw them dancing and I couldn't resist myself.
And hear this. We will not resist from firing you off for this.
Oh my God! He is so handsome! So handsome! What did I tell you?
You must not hold. I'm not speaking to you.
Oops, I forgot. I'm sorry.
Ingrid, switch off the tape. Switch off the tape.
Silence, everybody. Can you come and sit here, everybody? Fine. Now, let's get to business.
I'm ready. Let's move the furniture. That's awful. I'm leaving.
Oh, no. Please don't leave. Don't leave. This won't take long. Please.
Only if you promise to dance later.
Yes, I will. Now, silence, everyone. As you all are aware, Mr. Dubreuil will take my associate's phone call any minute now that will give me the exact amount of Mr. Dubreuil's shares in the company.
Father was the sole owner of the Dubreuil empire.
All for being such useless creatures.
Such impudence!
My Anthony, speak the truth, Mr. Lawyer.
Your Anthony? I am not your Anthony. In fact, I am not Anthony anymore.
Well then, if you're so sure, the money in...
Maybe he's left a small amount for a living.
On the contrary, he wants whatever money he owned to be distributed equally amongst his children.
What did you say?
Are all of Mr. Dubreuil's children present?
Yes, Anthony, Julia, and myself. William must be asleep in his room. He's only 17. I'm sure we can do without him.
Do without Master William? No. At the age of 17 itself, he's been managing the entire Dubreuil empire. I came here specially to meet him.
Ask Master William to join us in grid.
And while you're at it, call Polly too.
Polly?
Who is Polly? You don't know Polly?
Never heard of him or her or whatever.
Mr. Dubreuil's 5 children.
5?
Yes. Henry Dubreuil, Anthony Dubreuil, Julia Dubreuil, William Dubreuil, and Polly Dubreuil.
Polly?
Who is Polly?
My dear lady, how should I know? Your sibling, not mine.
Okay.
Of course.
No, this is stupid. Because this Polly could be anybody. Anybody at all.
A car racer, a social worker, a servant.
What happened?
It was so long back.
What was so long back?
My mother told me I had a disgrace past, and even though my father's the most decent man, he couldn't take me in.
Well, since we have no information on Polly's background or whereabouts, we have to consider this case.
I'm sure Ingrid is lying.
All about Ingrid's background, huh?
No, I don't know about Ingrid or her background. I know she is lying because I am Polly.
Oh heavens!
Oh, please.
What's the world coming to?
What sort of help are they?
Sir, please call me by my real name, Polly.
Oh Ingrid, please don't say that. If all three of you want to be called as Polly, we'll go insane.
Yes.
As much as you people do. You go and open it.
Students.
You know what, people? This dancer is the only one who is useless here. Go to the door. Go.
If you don't open that door, we will not dance with you today.
Blackmail.
Feel like a woman in that attire.
The Formula One champion. The Formula One.
Where's my camera?
Autograph.
Oh, let me take care of your helmet.
What I have come here for, dear people.
Oh! Did you hear that? She just called us dear.
Stop this! Stop this! Not now, not now. What is this? Who switched on the music again?
Oh, I did. They are beautiful lady. Let us dance African to this Latin rhythm.
Unhand me off immediately.
Look, Esmeralda. He was yours. That Marisa. Damn it. Damn it.
Now what?
My dear brother William gone. How unfortunate. How happy he would have been.